doesn't fit.
Maybe you're just looking in the wrong place.
But it looks like it fits here, so it has to.
Can I help? I think it fits here. Oh.
What is it, Felicity?
I saw something scary in the dark.
I'm not afraid of the dark.
What's the commotion?
Theo and I saw something scary.
Don't be afraid, children.
But there were these red eyes
And they were so big.
As scary as those may be, you can be braver. Just be like St. Michael.
Who's St. Michael?
He's one of the archangels. He leads the other angels into battle against the devil and the spirits of darkness.
Can he get rid of the darkness?
Yes, he is the Prince of Light, and since he's an archangel, he's very close to God.
I want to be brave like St. Michael.
Why don't we say the St. Michael prayer? Then he can show you how.
What's the St. Michael prayer?
It's a prayer specifically asking St. Michael to fill you with courage in the battle against evil.
We get to go into battle? Woohoo!
It's not a physical battle, Theo.
It's a battle us angels fight for your intercession.
Saint Michael the Archangel, defend us in battle, we humbly pray. Saint Michael the Archangel, defend us in battle, we humbly pray. Be our protection against the wickedness and snares of the devil. May God rebuke him, we humbly pray. O Prince of the heavenly host, by the power of God, cast into hell Satan and all the evil spirits who prowl about the world, seeking the ruin of souls. Amen.
I wish I had a sword like that. It would be so easy to be brave.
You don't need a sword to fight the spirits of darkness. Your faith is your greatest weapon. Nothing is too scary if you trust in God. He will always protect you. Draw your strength from the Lord and His mighty power. Put on the armor of God and stand firm. And you can say that prayer whenever you need a little help, and I'll be right by your side.
I do feel braver with you.
Thank you, St. Michael.
Theo, look.
Are you still scared?
Not as much, but a little.
Then let's be brave together.
Boom!